The photosynthesis is the single most important biochemical reaction on Earth, as no complex forms of life would exist without it. It is used by plants and some other organisms to produce and store energy from the energy in the sunlight. Chemical engineers are today researching on the photosynthesis to develop an artificial counterpart as a new and ecological way to produce electricity. So how does the photosynthesis work? This is the main reaction, and it shows how the plant uses carbon dioxide and water to produce oxygen and a carbohydrate, which is in this case a glucose, and this is all propelled by sunlight. There are quite many steps in the photosynthesis, so this equation gives but a brief overview of the reactants and the products. The whole process begins with a photon entering a plant cell, penetrating into the chloroplast organelle, and finally finds its way into the complex photosystem II enzyme. The energy from the photon is then and there transferred to an electron by absorption. This energy is used in various stages to create adenosine triphosphate, ATP, from adenosine diphosphate, ADP, and nicotine adenine dinucleotide phosphate, which is conveniently abbreviated NADPH. These molecules then play an important part of the Calvin circle, where they help producing strands of 3-carbon sugars through the ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, also known as the Rubisco enzyme. The sugars are combined with some ATP to become triose phosphates, which are mostly used to fuel this process itself, but some are used to instead store the energy as carbohydrates, such as the glucose we had in the first example. So this is how the photosynthesis works, and how it transforms the energy of the sunlight into energy-rich carbohydrates, which the plants can easily access whenever it needs it. Thank you for watching, and hope it helped to grasp the overall concept of the photosynthesis. Especially thanks to these guys for providing sources, and you can also find them down below in the bio. Thank you.